In this video, I want to discuss the idea of simplifying algebraic expressions. We want to put them in their smallest, most compact form. In order to do this, we use the idea of combining like terms. We want to combine things that are similar. As an example, 3x plus 4x. So these are like terms because they each have an x term. The idea is using the distributive property, I could rewrite this as 3 plus 4 times x, which is 7x. So we can combine things that are similar by just adding the coefficients. However, their variables have to line up perfectly. Let's consider this algebraic expression here, 3x plus 7y plus 2x minus 4y. We do need things to be like terms. So we have a 3x and a 2x. Their variables are the same. So we can add the numbers in front. 3 plus 2 is 5. I then have this 7y and a minus 4y. Their variables are the same. 7 minus 4 is 3. However, between these two, one of them has an x and one of them has a y. So these cannot be combined anymore. And this is fully simplified, 5x plus 3y. Next, let's look at 3x minus 2 plus 7 times 4x plus 1. The first step in simplifying is actually to get rid of the parentheses. And to do that, I have to use the distributive property. 7 times 4x. 7 times 4 is 28, so that's 28x. 7 times 1, that's 7. We then see we have a 3x and a 28x. Those both have the same variable, so they are like terms. That would give me 31x. We then have this negative 2 and 7. Those are like terms because they both do not have a variable. They're both just numbers. Negative 2 plus 7 is 5. So my final solution, 31x plus 5. For my last example, 2y minus 4x minus 3 plus 7y minus 8x. When we have a negative sign outside of a parentheses, we need to distribute it all the way through. So minus 3, minus 7y, and then minus negative 8x. So plus 8x. We then have two things that have an x, a negative 4x and an 8x. Negative 4 plus 8 is 4. We also have two things that have a y, a 2y and a minus 7y. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. And then finally, we have this minus 3. So my solution here, 4x minus 5y minus 3.